Today is January 14th. Uh, Ethan's is doing pretty good on his ground strokes. He's trying to memorize the positions. He's trying to memorize the grips. He's getting a little bit of good control of his body. He has he's developing a better awareness of where his body position is, of where things feel uncomfortable, and he can tell where things have hitches or change of speeds. So today we worked on just feeding from the hand feeding from the service line, and we moved him. I fed from behind the net as well, and he did good on both. Forehand side is stronger than the backhand side. Forehand side, the focus is continuous motion. He has a decent lift to the left. His leg coming around is getting a little bit better. He doesn't struggle too much with the different points from 0 to 1 to 2 to contact. On the forehand side, he can do a relatively good continuous motion. One thing we tried was the tip of the racket forward a little bit, and the tip of the racket, make sure the tip of the racket stays up a little bit longer, because he drops the tip away too soon sometimes. We're not really focused on the ball going over the net, more like making sure his form is correct, and that's the main thing. The ball will go in as a default once his form starts going good. Backhand side is trailing behind. I would say more than I want, so we're going to focus on the backhand side more next time. His ready position is good on the backhand side. His first V position reacting, he has continuous motion from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, position from 0 to 1. Is really rough. There's a pretty hard stop. I'm giving him pushes if he looks away from the ball, and because he gets distracted easily. So on his contact point, the strings face up a little bit too much. He doesn't bring the weight forward. He raises the racket up too high on from 0 to 1 sometimes. But he understands the low table, and I think the backhand side will come around. We just have to focus a little bit more on it. Maybe have him lean forward a little bit on at his waist, and we'll do a little bit of movement next time. Continue to feed more from the net, and try and speed things up a little bit as far as his feeding goes to increase his muscle memory. Okay, so we'll see you next time.